So guys, I welcome you today, guys. So welcome again. It's Sendos at the Intellect once again. So today we want to revise our Geograph paper 3. Specifically, we are going to study statistics. We are going to revise a question related to statistics. So in this case, I'm going to use this question paper. This is ZIMSEC November 2019. So I just want to take us a recap, or I want us to teach each other about using the Spearman rank correlation, how to calculate situations, how to calculate relationships in Geograph paper 3 using Spearman rank correlation. So in this case, as you can see on the screen, we've provided with the question. So I'm going to use question 1C for November 2019, which says table 1 below shows the size of selected settlement in thousands and number of functions in each settlement. So the function of the correlation, Spearman rank correlation, is to show the relationship between two given situations or two given things. So in this case, we want to show a relationship between size in thousand and number of functions. So most of the time, the values in which we provided first, for example, in this case, size in thousand, are represented by X, and the number of functions are represented by Y. So before we take any further, the first step in which you must do before doing anything is to arrange your values into X and Y, as we are going to do using this question paper. So I want you to take a closer look on the events that are appearing on the screen. As these events are appearing on the screen, I just want you to take a deep understanding so that we cannot lose concern of each other. So in this case, what are we gonna do? In this case, our first step when using the Spearman So when we are using the Spearman correlation coefficient, here we have what we call settlement. We have a settlement, then we have size in 1000. Then after that, we have got number of functions. So what is the first step here? So the first step here is to do this. We have A, we have got B. So A now, we want to arrange, in this case, our first step is to arrange settlement in their order. We are arranging settlements in their order of size. For example, the first rank here we've got here size in thousand, we are representing it as X. Number of functions, we are representing it as Y. So the settlement now, we have got 10, then followed by 7, then followed by 5, followed by 9, then B, C, D, then here E has got 12, then after that we have got EF 6, then G 4, then we have got H, it is represented by 8, right? Then in terms of Y, we have got 20, 14, 10, 17, 16, 12, 8, then last 15. So as our values are appearing like this, as you can see, guys, we have been provided with these values in their order, as according to our question paper, as you can witness here. As in according to our question paper, this is how they've arranged values. So what are we supposed to do in order to have the Spearman correlation coefficient. The first step now we are going to take is to arrange these values according to their rank. We are going to arrange these values according to their rank. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do this. I'm going to write x here. Then I'm going to write rank x. Then after that, I'm going to write y. Then after that, I'm going to write rank y. This is what I'm going to do. So in this case, now what is the first rank? What is the first rank value in x? Here we've got 12. Then 12 is ranked number 1. Then second rank is 10. It's ranked number 2. Then third rank here, it's 9. So the first value, the highest value here is 12. In terms of its rank, it is the first one because it is the highest value. Then 10 here, we've got 10 here. It is the second rank. Then we have got 9, it is the third. Then we have got 8, it is the fourth rank. Then we have got 7, it is the fifth rank. Then we have got 6 here, it is the sixth rank. Then we have got 5, it is the seventh rank. Then we have got 4, it is the 8th in terms of ranks. So we are through with our values. We have arranged them. 12 is the first, it is in their order. Then in terms of y, we have got 20, that's the first rank, 17, second rank, 16, third rank, 15, it's our fourth rank, 14, it's our fifth rank, 12, it's our sixth rank, then 10, it's our seventh rank, then 8, it's our eighth rank. So we have now arranged. So our first step is to see what is being provided on the question paper. Then our second step is to arrange these values in terms of their rank as I did here. So after that, we are now rearranging again these values in their order so that we can be able to calculate the Spearman correlation coefficient. So allow me to take you to the next step. So what are we going to do here is so I'm now using these values in order to ascribe, or I'm now using these values to arrange a formula or to arrange them in their order. Saka apa inishona ndiri kuti ma-values ataronga aya ini ma-values ayo kuti hani maona kuti ma-values a-x hombe ndi 12 dzichidzika 12 kusvika kuna 4 uku tatangira pana 20 kusvika kuna 8 tichiipa rengi yayo value yega yega yapuwa rengi. Saka our next step is to write here x, then we write x. Here we have got x, then we have got y, then we are now writing rank x, rank y, right? We are now reordering. So what are we going to do here? We are going to analyze the events in this case. We are going to analyze the events. So for instance, what are we going to do? We are going to write values in terms of we are going to write values in terms of their order as they were. So in this case, the first value to be provided, if you can take a closer look here, if you can take a closer look to our former order, ZIMSEC have provided us these values in their order. So we are now writing those values in their order as they are provided in the question paper. So in this case, we have got 10. It is the first value to be written in X. Then also, what is the rank of 10? It's the second. Then the first value on Y on the question paper. Because according to ZIMSEC, we are now arranging the values in the way in which we were provided, but we are now ascribing what is the rank of that value is according to what we have done here. So 10 is the first value in X values, and it is the second rank. Then we have got 20 in terms of Y values, and it is the first rank. Then next step we have got 7. It is the second value, and which rank is 7? It is the fifth rank. Then in terms of sorry, it is the fifth rank here. We put it here. Then the second value in Y, it's 14. What is its rank? 14. Its rank is the fifth rank. Then the third value is 5. In terms, what is the rank of 5? Is the seventh rank. Then we have got 10 here as the third value. It is in the seventh rank. Then we have got 9. What is the rank of 9 in X? It is the third, as you can see. Then what is the next value? It's 17. In terms of Y, what is the rank of 17? 17 is the second rank, as you can see here. Then what is the value? The next value, we have got 12. What is the value? It is the first rank. Then another value for Y is 16. 16, as you can see, is the third rank. Then we have got 6 here. 6, it is the sixth value. Then we have got 12 here. It is also the sixth value. 12 and the sixth value. Then we have got 4. In terms of X, 4 is the eighth value, eighth rank. Sorry. Then we have got again 8 here. It is in the eighth rank again. Yes. Then we have got 8 as the last value to X here. 8. What is the value of here? 8. Fourth. It is the fourth rank here. Then we have got 15. It is in the fourth rank. So I want to cross check. Trikuita say apa inishona pataba patikauya apa guys. Zvatirikuita tinotanga kutora values aya yatapuwa neZIMSEC. Handiti isusu tatora hamaona panda values andatanga kuraba apa aya. Ndatora values eZIMSEC. Ndobva ndatora values eZIMSEC vandama arranger kubva kuukuru hwawo kuenda kuudiki hwawo. Vatatanga kuna X tabva kuna 12 tikasvika kuna 4. Vatatsvaga maranks ayo 12 ndo yanga iri pekutanga ipechitu tichidzika. Toenda futi kuna Y totsvaga kuti value hombe ndiyani ndi 20. Tichisvika kuna 8 titsvaga marank ayo. Tawana marank takuchidzoka kumapirwa atamaitwa. ZIMSEC yatanga yatipa 10 kuna X tichidzika kusvika kuna 8. Kuna Y yatanga yatipa 20. Vaenda pana 14, vaenda pana 10, vaenda pana 17, 16, 12, 8, 9 na 4. Saka tikutsvaga 10 irengi ipi ndeyechi2. Ukatarisa panapa 10 irengi rechi2, 7 irengi rechi5, 5 irengi rechi7, 9 irengi rechi3, 12 irengi refirst rank, then 6 irengi rechi number futani 6. 4 irengi rechi number 8. 8 irengi rechi number 8 here. Sorry, I've made a mistake. 8 is the fourth rank here. 8 irengi rechi 4. Amona. Then toenda pana 20. irengi rekutanga sezvamuri kuona apa 20 irengi rekutanga, 14 panapa irengi rechi 5, 10 irengi rechi 7, 17 irengi rechi 17 kunawo irengi rechi 2, then tobva taenda pana 6, 17 irengi rechi 2, 17 second rank, 10 7, 16 irengi rechi 3, 12 irengi rechi 6, 8 irengi rechi 8, then 4 irengi rechi 4. Saka we need to match this. 20 first rank, 14 here is the 5th rank, 10 7th rank, 17 here is the 2nd, 16 is the 3rd, 12 in values is the 6th, 8 is the 8th, 4 what is this value? 4. Sorry, the year we don't have 4. Sorry, this is 15. This is 15. So there's a mistake. It's a 20, 14, 10, 17, 16, 12, 8. Then here we have got 15. Sorry guys, here we've got 15. 15 is the 4th rank. So here we need to make sure you need to make sure all values are provided. You need to make sure like this. We've got 20. So now what are we going to do? Here we are going to write, we are going to do this. We are going to write D1, D squared. So what is D representing? D in this case is now representing the difference between the two ranks. So it's 2 minus 1. We got 1 here. Then we've got 5 minus 5. We got 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 3 minus 2. We got 3 minus 2. Sorry, what is our next divide? 2 minus 1, 1, 5 minus 1, 7. 3 minus 2, we get 1 here. Then 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3, we got minus 2. Then 6 minus 6, we got 0. 8 minus 8, we got 0. 4 minus 4, we got 0. So this is our difference. D squared, we are going to square these values in order to get rid of the negative. We are going to square these values in order to get rid of the negative. 2 minus 1, 1, 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 7, 0, 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 3, you got minus 2, 6 minus 6, 0, 8 minus 8, 0, 4 minus 4, 0. So we got 1, 0, 0, 1, then here we got 4, 0, 0, 0. So this is now our final values, 1, 0, 0, 1, 4, 0, 0, 0. So now our next step here, we are going to find summation of these values. So summation of our value is 5. We got 5 here. We are now having 5 in this case. That's our summation of values. Summation of values, yes. Well, we have got 5 minus 5, 7, yes. 3 minus 2, 1, minus 2, 4, 5. Saga summation 1, 2, 4, 5. Sorry, it's 6. Summation 4, 5, 6. Summation of value here is 6. That's our summation of value. Summation of the difference is 6. Summation. So we have square, 1 square, 1, So our summation of d squared value is 6. So our next step here is right. Now our formula says rk equal to 1 minus 6 over number of values multiply number of values squared minus 1. That's our formula. So it's 1 minus 6 multiplied by summation of d squared values. So in this case, we are going to say rk equal to 1 minus, what is the summation of value here? We've got 6 multiplied by 6. Are we together? So already we've got 1 minus 6, then it multiplies the summation of different values. So we've got 6 here. So as we are having 6, then we are saying number of values, they were 8. We have got 8 as number of values multiplied by number of values squared minus 1. So if we are going to substitute rk equal to 1 minus 36 over 512, if we are going to calculate here, both here we are going to 8 squared minus 1, yeah, 512, then rk equal to 1 minus, if we are saying 512 into 36, we are going to get 1 minus 0,00701325. Saka ndiri kuti nini? Tapedza kuisa zvinhu mumaranks. Tinonyora kuti d kureva difference yemarank 2 minus 1 todai apa todai. Then to get rid of the negative, tinoisa manumber ese atawana up to the power 2. Taurirana? Taisa manumber to the power 2, summation turikutsvaga turikumaedha ese ndobva tawana 6. Saka formula inoti rk equal to 1 minus 6 multiplied by summation yema values aya ndo 6. Saka apa tikadai apa towana 36 apa 512 na 36 tosara tina 0,070125 toti 1 uyu minus apa inobuda iri equal to 0,9296875. Saka tikada kuita to 1 decimal place kana to the nearest whole number inobuditsa plus 1, inochinja ita plus 1. Saka our relationship between settlement and population size and whatsoever, it's positive. Are we together? So that's why they say comment on your findings. Then on your findings, we are going to say the number of functions and size in 1,000 or for all settlement is positive, because this is the value that we got. So for more information for geography, statistics, and whatsoever you might want, you can contact Sendos at the Intellect. And for if you find this video interesting, you can subscribe in order to request for more videos. You can share, you can like. Thank you very much.